today we are here with our new sensation and famous actress of Kabir Singh, Nikita Datta. I am Srishti Gupta with her. Honored to meet you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Now the agenda, आज का वीडियो हम क्यों बना रहे हैं, ये इंटरव्यू क्यों हो रहा है कि एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में निकिता जी को 10 साल से ज्यादा हो चुके हैं, more than a decade.
10 साल एक्चुअली अभी 10 साल
Oh, congratulations. अगर कोई आउटसाइडर है, you don't come from a this background in Bollywood entertainment?
nowhere close.
कोई चाचा ताऊ
दूर दूर तक अगर मैं खोद के भी निकालूं शायद
Not a nepo baby.
Not at all.
Okay. So now अगर कोई आउटसाइडर है असली वाला
जी
and that person is young, happy, enthusiastic about acting, drama, dance, music industry, how to navigate their path और इस इंडस्ट्री में आने के लिए पहली बात क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है आज के टाइम में when we have so much connections, and secondly how did you make it happen for you?
आई थिंक पहली बात तो आजकल के टाइम में इफ आई हैव टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक पॉसिबिलिटीज आर मच बेटर क्योंकि एक ट्रांसपेरेंसी आ गई है जो हमें ओके यस द ऑप्शंस आर अनलिमिटेड एवरीबॉडी इज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर एवरीबॉडी थिंक्स दे कैन एक्ट एवरीबॉडी थिंक्स दे कैन डांस एंड व्हाई नॉट सो बट एट द सेम टाइम you have a system in place. It's still not exactly how it used to be, but you have a very organized system that was not there before. आप आज जानते हैं आज एक नॉर्मल इंसान जो इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है वो जानता है कि ये 5 से 6 जाने हुए कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं. सब जानते हैं कि उनका ऑफिस यहाँ पर है. सब जानते हैं कि अगर आपको ऑडिशन देना है तो यहाँ पर जाएंगे आपको ऑडिशन का चांस मिलेगा. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आई वुड से एटलीस्ट 80% ऑफ द टाइम्स द प्रोसेस हैपेंस थ्रू एन ऑडिशन. Okay, so I think it's a very fair process.
And does your following play a role in that?
Of course it does. I'm coming to that later. I'm saying following, of course. Then another way to get eyeballs onto you is by having a following, by having a social media presence, which did not exist earlier. So I feel like in today's time, it's a lot more streamlined. It's a lot easier, in spite of having the abundance of options.
Yes.
So वो एक चीज जरूर है. दूसरी चीज which you asked me about what you need before you come here. The one thing I keep telling people is that this can't be a hobby. This can't be a passion project. Oh, I feel like, oh, I think I look good and I think I act well. तो मैं जरा try कर. This can't be that. You need beyond imaginable amount of willpower. You need a lot of determination. You need a lot of will to not be put down. Because अगर आपके पास एक आपको चांस मिलेगा, it will come at the cost of also getting at least 1,000 rejections. And I'm talking about 1,000. Even 1 or 2 rejections can let you down. So you need to be able to stand your ground. 1,000 is maybe a smaller number. You can actually face way more rejections. So to be able to stand through that, to be able to not give up, it's very brutal. Because it's an industry of it's show business as we call it. The feedback, the criticism, everything is very brutal. It's very personal. It's about your appearance. It's about what you think. It's about it's very personal. If a writer goes, it's about his creativity, his thoughts. It's directly pot shots at you. So you need to be able to stand that criticism. You need to be able to take rejection, not be let down by that. That is the first step. The minute you are determined that okay, a rejection or any kind of criticism is not going to let me down, you won your first battle. Then you know you're here to stay. And when you're here to stay, you're determined. You're going to be focusing on improving yourself. And another thing I always feel is a lot of times people come here for the fame and not actually for the craft. There is a huge percentage that doesn't come here for the love of this. They come for having fans. So I think the minute you're coming for the latter, for having fans, you might not go a very long way because then you will not take the drill. The drill is very brutal. And the drill comes, the brutalness is only and only accepted if at all you know what you want.
How costly is this? And I'm asking you this from my past experience of interviewing and working with Manish Malhotra and Sabyasachi. I was in the fashion industry already. And what I got to know from them is that even if you're a newcomer, you need a portfolio, number one.
Yeah.
You need to have certain looks by the industry standards, which come at the cost of a personal trainer, your beautician, your nutrition expert.
How much are you getting paid, Meeta? Please tell us all. Right there. No, she's our personal makeup artist.
Oh, makeup artist.
Yes. We have a PR person, we have a makeup artist, we have a personal manager. Why don't we discuss?
So we have 4 awesome, strong women here.
Yes.
A big team is needed.
Yeah.
And so my question is कि अगर कोई newcomer है तो कितना महंगा है ये number 1 and number 2 सिर्फ talent और मेहनत के basis पर क्या career बन सकता है या you need to have some bank balance?
No, you need to have a bank balance. Talent और मेहनत के basis पर, of course, you will go a certain way. The only thing is, जब whatever you make, आप थोड़ा तो कुछ पैसा बनाएंगे. ठीक है, it's not that you're never going to make money. You need to know where to spend. Spend it on the right places. That's something I think I have also learned over the time. Like for example, there are too many men in this room, but I'll still say it. It's a very unfiltered thing I'm going to share with you. The first time I ever did an endorsement, my first endorsement, which was in 2013, it was for a hair oil ad. The day I had done that endorsement, I got paid 4 lakh rupees for that. The minute I got that money, I went, the first thing I did was, I got a full body. I said, this is the need of the hour, I need to do this for maintaining myself. So I'm just trying to tell you that when you earn that money, just make sure you know where to spend it. At the end of it, when we look at businessmen, when we look at people who are creating something, this is our business. My face is my business, my craft is my business, that is my workplace, it's my office, it's something, it's a commodity. All of it is a commodity. So if I'm not going to invest in my craft, if I'm not going to invest in myself, it's going to get it.
Who guided you कि कहाँ पे करना चाहिए अपने?
Yeah, life teaches. It's if at all you're a good student of life, life will teach you all of this.
Mentor.
There's no mentor. There are lots of things I've learned very late. I wish I had a PR person much earlier in life. I have it very late. 10 साल बाद जाके मैं सीखी कि मुझे मेरे पास ये होना चाहिए. So I'm just saying that everything has a time. That's another thing I've realized. I've told myself to feel better about and pacified myself that don't feel bad about doing things so late. It's okay. There's always a time, but just be open to learning. Number 1, don't get too carried away and too excited by any kind of short fame. People's memory, audience's memory is very short-lived. They will forget you tomorrow. There'll be another heartthrob and there'll be another sensation that comes and will be forgotten. I always say that for social media stars. Like today, there's one lady who's saying very beautiful, very cute. There's another day somebody else is saying that. These are all short-lived things. What stays is if you have some good craft. So focus on that.
The most important thing that many of our students are asking us also is criticism. पढ़ाई पर आ रहा है या एग्जाम क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, जैसे मैंने यूपीएससी क्लियर किया तो मुझे पता है कि मेरी प्रिपरेशन में कहाँ गया. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल रीड दैट सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाई अच्छी से एंड आई विल क्लियर. बट जब वो क्रिटिसिज्म कोई कहे कि तुम्हारा फेस अच्छा नहीं है, तुम्हारी बॉडी अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है, योर आईज आर नॉट मैचिंग, that is very personal, very brutal, and you feel vulnerable.
Yes.
How to deal with that, because that shatters your self-image.
See, now this, I mean, because it's not like it's not happened with me, it's happened with me as well. But I feel like I have started to understand that better. The minute somebody, say today a filmmaker comes and says that, you're not fair enough, because I've heard that. You say कि आप इतने गोरे नहीं हो, हमें कोई और गोरा चाहिए. I feel it's coming from a place of something they have in mind, something that fits a particular character. So I think over time, what I have told myself is to stop taking this personally, and I would tell everybody to do that.
Starting में कैसे हुई?
Starting में तो you just feel shattered, you really feel heartbroken, and that's very natural. It's a very organic emotion. As humans, we are supposed
Just
to
for a
feel that.
newbie, what advice would you give to deal with?
I would just say don't back down. That's what I said the first thing. Don't give up. That's it. There's nothing else to it. Just don't give up.
That's the message. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely interaction.
Yes, it was lovely. Yeah.
And it's you again.
Yes.
And I wish you all the very best for your career.
Thank you.
And I hope to
I
see you
want
in
to
a
have the UPSC exam में.
Oh, love to. So I'm an engineer.
Yeah.
I did my engineering in 2019. I took up a job in business consulting and data analytics. Worked for 5 years with Microsoft and EY. While working, I used to मेरे घर से मेरा ऑफिस 2 घंटे दूर था, तो 2 घंटे आने के 2 घंटे जाने के, तो डेली 4 घंटे की पढ़ाई प्लस अ लॉट ऑफ पैसिव लर्निंग इन द सेंस कि जैसे कॉर्पोरेट में कल्चर है चाय एंड स्मोक ब्रेक्स का एंड गॉसिप ब्रेक्स का. When I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't gossip. So I used to use those 2 hours, squeeze out those 2 hours from the office time. तो दिन के 6-7 घंटे पढ़ाई, full time job, and then I did my MBA in finance and marketing. So a lot of things.
Yes.
I was giving my exams
So
simultaneously.
you've done an MBA,
So I
you
failed.
cleared your UPSC, you've
And
done
I
engineering and
And I've cleared 5 other government exams: SSC CGL, EPFO, Intelligence Bureau, CBSC Administration Secretary, and DRDO.
what is going wrong with the CBSE board currently? Why has it gone so down?
Because, okay, there are a couple of reasons.
Yeah.
First is that.
I'm a CBSE student. I feel terrible. I feel terrible looking at the board being so looked down upon.
See, it's.
Sorry, it's not completely off.
No,
No, it's okay. That's fine.
Continuing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I know your team is stressing up. कि भाई बैक
Oh, they called us? No.
Okay, cool then. I'll answer your question.
Yeah.
Dekho, I'm also a CBSE student
Right.
and I love my board. The thing is that there are a couple of factors.
Right.
The boards like ICSE
Yeah.
and IB are
IB, I know, has taken a huge. Yeah, it's become a stop. Yes.
अब उसके 2 रीजंस है. पहला ये कि वो जो लैब एक्सपीरियंस और करिकुलम दे रहे हैं बच्चों को, हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस,
Yeah.
वर्कशॉप्स,
Yeah.
इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट्स,
That the CBSE is not giving.
but that comes at a very premium cost.
Exactly right.
Not everybody can afford it.
Yes.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय के बच्चे हैं, हम नॉर्मल कॉन्वेंट या पब्लिक स्कूल के बच्चे
Yes,
हैं, हम नहीं
yes,
अफोर्ड कर
yes.
सकते. तो वो कहते हैं, हिंदी में कहावत है, जितना गुड़ डालोगे उतना मीठा होगा. तो जो पैसे से अफोर्ड कर पा रहा है उसको वो फैसिलिटीज भी मिल रही है, वो एक्सपोजर भी मिल रहा है, एंड इट इज लीडिंग टू अ डोमिनो इफेक्ट के यू आर सेट अप फॉर सक्सेस इन लाइफ.
Yeah.
तो अब क्या हो रहा है कि आईसीएससी और आईबी वालों के रिजल्ट्स भी अच्छे आ रहे हैं.
No, it's that's a debatable thing. I feel like जब आप बोलते हो results अच्छे आ रहे हैं. If today I am testing you, I am giving you knowledge about Sprite ये है, Pepsi ये है, Coke ये है, पानी ये है, और मैं आपसे एग्जाम में भी यही पूछूंगी. You'll get a 10 on 10. But you have to see what I'm teaching you also, no? So when you're saying an IB and ICSE are doing great, their curriculum is very different.
So I'm also getting updated on a very frequent level.
Yeah, yeah.
And the industrial hands-on exposure
Yeah, yeah.
is immense.
Yes.
मतलब you get to visit USA and you get to visit the PepsiCo. अब आप मेरे को बस ये बता रहे हो ये क्या है, but इसके अंदर क्या है, इसका प्रोडक्शन कैसे हो रहा है, वो उनको भी पता चल रहा है. And then of course the era of online learning.
Yeah.
So now nobody is really dependent solely on school education. And if you're solely dependent on that, you're already
This
practicing.
exam doesn't make you make any changes and can
No,
make
it
you
does.
think
Had I taken up the job, had I
Yeah.
not cleared UPSC, I would have become an administration secretary.
Right.
And done good work there also. However, no, I
This is a pitch for you to be hired. I can do that.
no. After becoming a civil servant also, we get opportunities to work
Right.
with Ministry of Education.
Yeah.
And I'll definitely do that also.
Yeah. Don't remove the preamble from the books though.
Oh,
Keep the
it's not
preamble.
ready for you, yeah?
Yeah.